So I just converted this oak from those beams that you saw. So this is going to form the back frame for the sculpture. So just shows you how clean the oak is on the inside. This is the backing frame for the sculpture. So this is what's actually attached directly to the wall of the church. So it's in oak. So it's really durable. It's quite heavy, but it needs to be strong. Fixed in 2 points at the bottom and one right in the center here. I'll have a plywood backing which will sit around about and this will be screwed to this. The cross, the rays, the gilt rays, all going to be fixed onto this plywood shape. So that is the plan. Right, well today I'm making up gesso, and for the first stage of that I'm going to make some animal hide glue. So all the particles of the hide glue have now dissolved into the solution. I'll divide it into two, use some of it for gesso and some of it for bowl. So I'm just applying the first coat of this gesso I've made. And I'm just testing it for strength. And it's got a good consistency. You're aiming for like a cream, single cream consistency.
Sizes.
Watch your head, Chris.
Oh, thanks.
Just keep looking at every step and keep going.
Trust the rope. Even two hands, I even find facing into the wall almost.
Okay.
And stepping on the widest bit all the time. Then.
And the steps aren't even.
Gosh, they must have had little feet back then.
Hey? Oh yeah, we're in separate cars. Right? Oh, right. Right, yeah.
Now you got to go up again.
So this was the room, this is the room above where we were putting it across. So that's on the wall. right?